Hey everyone, welcome back to No Problem Vegan. Today I'm taking you on a fun little adventure to Lotte Plaza Market right here in Orlando, Florida. This place is a haven for anyone who loves cooking with fresh, flavorful ingredients. It's an Asian market packed with everything from produce to pantry staples. And yes, I found some gems. Just look at this beautiful red leaf lettuce, bell peppers, eggplants, and one of my favorites, okra. So fresh and perfect for stir fries or even roasting. Then I came across something I've never actually tried before, winter melon. It caught my eye immediately. If you're familiar with winter melon, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Of course, you know I had to stop by the mushroom section. They had king oyster, shiitake, brown oyster, wood ear, enoki, and even pre-packaged mushroom medley. Super convenient if you're making hot pot, soups, or curries. They also had houseplants for those of us who love to add a little green to our space. There were mangoes sold by the box and a great selection of tropical fruits. Black cherries, lychees, rambutan, and mangosteen. I felt like I was suddenly transported to Thailand. Back at home, I laid it all out on the counter to show you my grocery haul. I picked up a whole box of king oyster mushrooms, shiitake, cauliflower, choy sum, red leaf lettuce, spinach, black cherries, Roma plum tomatoes, key limes, Indian bitter melon, Shanghai bok choy, Persian cucumbers, and of course Indian okra. I always like to buy extra and freeze what I can for later. That wraps up my grocery run at Lotte Plaza Market. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more vegan-friendly finds and food adventures.